Okay, starting a cleaning company is easy. Getting clients, that's the hard part. You can be the best cleaner in your city, but if nobody knows about you, you are just cleaning your own house. So the good news, cleaning is one of the easiest industries to get leads with meta ads. Low cost per lead, massive demand, and almost zero competition on the platform. In this video, I will show you the exact system to get cleaning clients with meta ads, whatever you are just starting out or you already have a team and want to grow. So anyway, this works. So let's go. Okay, so why meta ads for a cleaning company? 4 reasons cleaning is perfect for meta ads. First, everyone needs cleaning. Everyone needs cleaning. So, every homeowner, every renter, every office. So, the market is massive. You are not targeting a niche. You are targeting everyone with a home or office. So, second, recurring revenue. Cleaning is not a one-time job. Most clients book weekly or bi-weekly. So, one new client is worth $200 to $500 per month. That's $2,400 to $6,000 per year from one lead. And third, cheap leads. Cleaning leads on Facebook cost usually $5 to $15 each. Some of the cheapest leads in any industry. Why? Because almost nobody in cleaning runs meta ads properly. Okay, and fourth, very low barrier. You don't need a fancy website, you don't need expensive equipment, you need a phone, meta ad, Facebook ad, and someone who answers when the lead calls. So the offer makes or breaks everything. So let me give you 3 that work. So first, let's say about bot offer. So bot offer is, for example, professional cleaning services, call today. Nobody clicks. Sounds like every other cleaning company. So offer number 1, first cleaning 50% off, book online in 60 seconds. So massive discount on the first visit gets them to try you. And once they see the quality, they book recurring. So the first clinic is your audition. So make it count. Okay, offer number 2, free estimate in 2 minutes. Tell us your home size and get an instant price. No risk, no commitment. So people love knowing the price before they call. An instant quote removes the biggest objection. I don't know how much this will cost. Offer number 3, move in, move out cleaning special. $149 for any apartment this week only. So, specific service, specific price, and specific deadline. And move in, move out is a huge market because people need it at a specific time, and they need it done right. So very, very good pro tip is residential and commercial cleaning need different offers. For example, residential, discounts and free estimates. Commercial, free walkthrough plus custom quote for your office. So don't mix them in one ad. And let's talk about ad, about how to set up our campaign for cleaning company. So we have 3 types that work for cleaning companies. Type number 1, okay, I moved too fast with my presentation. Yeah, so we have three types. Type number 1 is the satisfying clean. A short video of the actual cleaning happening, scrubbing a dirty oven until it shines, mopping a floor from filthy to sparkling, wiping a bedroom from gross to spotless. These videos are addictive to watch. People can't scroll past a good before and after clean. And yeah, film it on your phone during every job. 15 to 30 seconds. Speed it up if needed. And yeah, also this is a very good idea to add text at the end. For example, want your home to look like this, first cleaning 50% off. This is your best performing ad format, guaranteed. Okay, type 2, you or your team in uniform. Stand in front of a house or office you just cleaned in your branded uniform or t-shirt and talk to the camera. For example, hey, I'm Jacob from ABC company. We just finished deep cleaning this 3-bedroom home in Miami. Took us 3 hours and it looks brand new. If you want your home cleaned this week, click below. First cleaning is 50% off. So 20 seconds, and yeah, that is real, friendly, and trustworthy. Okay. And yeah, type number 3. Type number 3 is review screenshot. For example, a screenshot of a real 5-star Google or Facebook review, big text overlay. This is why our clients love us. So, simple image, no video needed in this case. So people trust reviews from other customers more than anything you can say about yourself. So yeah, run all 3 types. So the cleaning video grabs attention, you on camera builds trust, and the review proves quality. Okay. Now let's move to campaign setup. How to set up this in Meta Ads. So yeah, setup is very simple for this industry. Objective, leads, budget $10 to $25 per day. Cleaning has some of the lowest lead cost on Meta Ads. Even $10 a day can bring 1 to 2 leads. So at 25 a day, you are looking at 3 to 5 leads daily. Targeting your service area, 10 to 15 mile radius. Keep it tight because you don't want to drive 1 hour, for example, to a job. Okay. Yeah, age 25 to 55, woman 70% of the time, but don't exclude men because some of them book too. So ad set, usually 1 will be enough for start, and all 3 creatives inside. Okay. Okay, now let's move to lead form. So lead form we should have name, phone number, and 2 qualification questions. For example, what type of cleaning? It can be regular, deep clean, move in out, office. And for example, next question can be, how big is your home? For example, studio, 1 BR, 2 BR, 3 BR, 4 plus BR, or office. So the home size question is key for cleaning. It tells you how to price the job before you even call. 1 bedroom is a different conversation than a 4 bedroom. So this is also very important. And also I recommend add a thank you screen. We will text you a price estimate within 1 hour. This is different from other industries. Cleaning clients want to know the price fast. Promise it and deliver. Okay. So follow up for cleaning is a bit different from other industries. In this industry, text first, not call. So cleaning clients prefer texting. Seriously, because most of your leads are busy women who don't want a phone call during work. So text within 5 minutes. For example, hi Michael, thanks for your interest for a 2-BR home. Our first cleaning is $99. It is 50% off. And when works best, for example, this week or next. So you see what happened there? You already gave them the price because you asked about home size in the form, no phone tag, no back and forth, price plus available time in one text. So if they don't respond to the text, call the next day, for example. So the one more text on day 3. After that, just stop. Cleaning leads go cold. Cleaning leads go cold fast because the decision is quick. So it's not a 15,000 renovation. It's a $99 cleaning. So yeah, okay. Now the real money. So yeah, after first cleaning, you should offer recurring offer. For example, did you like the job? We can come every 2 weeks for $139 or every week for $119. I will put you on the schedule so you never have to think about it. So the math. Let's say one-time client 90%, $99 and done. Bi-weekly client $139 for 26 visits equals $3,614 per year. And weekly client $119 for 52 visits. It equals $6,188 per year from a $10 lead. So that's the cleaning business model. So methods are just the door. Recurring service is the house. So I think this is the most important in this industry. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. So first, okay, I didn't move before this one, so you can check this on presentation. You can pause this video if you want right now. But yeah, let's move. Let's make a quick recap. So first, we should use strong first time offer. For example, 50% off first cleaning, free estimate, or move in special. 2, 3 ad types: satisfying clean video, you in uniform, review screenshot, and yeah, that 3 will be enough for test for start. Number 3, simple campaign, leads $10 to $25 per day, tight service area, and broad targeting. Number 4, smart lead form, cleaning type plus home size, and text them a price within 1 hour. And number 5, text first plus offer recurring. So price in the first text, recurring after first job. So you know, $10 $10 lead can equals 6K per year. So this is very, very important and very powerful in this industry. Yeah, so you know, if you run a cleaning company and want help getting clients on autopilot, free strategical link in the description. So yeah, and comment how many clients do you have right now and how do you get most of them. Maybe I could maybe I can help you. So yeah, write and I will answer. So subscribe for more. Yeah, I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.